For the right vehicle, check out the 2018 Volt. The Chevy Volt can drive up to 40 miles a day without a drop of gas and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, cloth seat trim. Come take a test drive today.